Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to use Metricool for Instagram. So let's jump straight in. The first thing we want to do is connect it. Now, there's two ways to connect it. The first way is having a personal Instagram account. And if you see on the left-hand side over here, you can actually just tap on the plus button. This will allow you to connect this network and you can get some insights and you can manage everything right here from Metricool. The second way of doing this is locating your brand settings, and there's two places you can find it. Either at the drop down menu at the top over here, you'll find brand settings, or if you go over onto the left hand side, this menu, you'll find brand settings all the way at the bottom. Now, whichever way you connect to brand settings, you can now see that there's Instagram, and here it says connect professional account. Now, once you tap on connect professional account, this will allow you to connect your Instagram as a professional account to Metricool. As you can see, we don't currently have a professional account, and that's fine. I'm going to show you how to go through the process of using Instagram on Metricool. Basically, what you're going to do is on the left hand side you have Instagram, and instead of clicking on Instagram, I'm just going to go into Facebook because that's my connected account. And basically here you can see from this profile you can view all of your demographics, you can see all of your analytics over here. You can even go ahead and tap on reports and export the analytics as a PDF. You can now have this sent to whomever it is that you need to communicate with. You can now also access inbox, and you can manage all of your Instagram inboxes right over here. If you have any comments, reactions, any interactions, you can manage all over here. And then if you're going into planning, you can actually go ahead and create new Instagram posts right over here. You can create Instagram reels, stories, whatever the case may be, all over here. And one of the nice features actually is that Metricool shows you when is the best time to post your Instagram post. So over here you can see it says best times, and of course it needs some data so it can actually tell you what the best time is to post. So you need to obviously use Metricool for some time, and so they can get an idea of when your posts are actually being viewed, when most of the interactions are actually happening. So you can also go and generate smart links, so you can take Instagram accounts and link it with other accounts, and then you can run ads. So if you've got a Facebook ad account which you can run your Instagram ads on, you can go ahead and connect that account here as well. And basically you can manage everything all from one place. I think this is absolutely fantastic for the Instagram users. You can go ahead and schedule all your posts, and you can grow your channel organically. If this was helpful, drop us a like. What is the best feature that you saw here now on Metricool? Let us know in the comments section below. We will see you in another awesome video. Cheers.